Hi, in this video we will be adding zoom in, transition and masking effects to a video using the Kinemaster Video Editing application. Okay, we are doing it on a mobile using OnePlus 7 Pro. It's having a very good processor, a high-speed one. So let's get started. Click on the new tab, create new. 16:9 is a good ratio for the YouTube video. Click on next button. Okay, first we have to go into the video folder. For an introductory clip, you can just select the fourth animation video clip. Okay, now we'll try to short on to this one. We will try to edit it, and this will be the base of the video, the starting initial stage. Okay, go back. Now this is the main screen. Okay, now click on the video clip, and now click on clip graphics and go down basic title effects. So I'll just be using some of the other one. Let's use the modern title. Okay, the first line, just write in zoom in transition. That's what this video is all about. Transition, we will select a font for it. I will select this one. I like the Pixellab bold. Alright, this one is done. Click OK. The second line, we will write in masking effects. Select a font, whichever you think is worthy, redressed. Let's see. Okay, seems pretty good. Masking effects, zoom in, transition, masking effects. Okay, press the tick. We are good to go. Now we will be adding video clips now. So for that we need to click on media, the download folder. I have a few video clips which I have downloaded from the Instagram Reels. So I like these videos, that's why I have downloaded. If at all few of you who do not know how to download the Instagram video clips, can press the link below. I have mentioned a YouTube link which will show you how to download the Instagram videos which you would like, and you can edit or use it in or some of the other videos, or you can save it up for later viewing. Okay, let's proceed. I will select 1, 2, 3 videos of my choice. Okay, then press the cross mark, then over here. Okay, the first video clip is of a cat with a shadow image of a tiger. Okay, from this video clip we'll be doing a zoom in transition to this one, and from this video clip we will be doing a zoom in transition to this cutie. Alright, so let's get started now. Select this video clip, click on the button on the right hand of the scissor, on the right side of the scissor. Okay, then click on end position. You can just increase, zoom in and increase the size. Okay, this is correct size which I like. Now tick mark. Alright, now once this is done, then on the left hand side I will take a screenshot of it, capture and save. Once this is saved, now you will have to go to Pixellab. I'll open a new picture. This is the one which I have selected. captured previously. Increase the size so that it covers the whole screen. Once this is done, okay, over here on the right hand side of Pixellab there are 4 icons, 4 tabs doing different functionality. So we will press the third one, we'll go down, we'll click on the erase tool. So click on the magnifying glass, increase the size of the image to 500%. Again click on the magnifying glass to freeze the frame. Click on the erase button, increase the size of this dodger. I'm increasing and decreasing the size. Okay, yeah, you can increase it. Okay, then increase the size of the dot as well. Okay, once this is done, once this is done, tick mark. Then lower right hand side, the square boxes on top, transparent, click on this one. Once this is done, save the image, save as image, press on the custom, ultra high quality, then save to gallery. Saved. It has saved. So again go back to the Kinemaster application, press layer, media, press the Pixellab folder. You can see the image, bring it in. Once the image is brought in, increase the size which matches the background. This is perfect. Press the tick on the top right. Once this is done, now once you proceed with the video, you can see the second video clip of the mermaid. You can see the glimpse of it in the eye of the cat. So how to zoom in, how to do the zoom in transition, now we are going to do it. Click on the image again. Okay, on the left hand side you can see the key button. Press the key button. Okay, now you can click on the circle on the right, circle with plus, press it. Okay, now once it's pressed, now zoom until you can see the mermaid. This is how it's done. The end result is very beautiful. Okay, now zoom until you can see the clear image of the third clip. See, this is done. The clear image came. Alright, press the tick. Once this is done, you can go on and check whether if the work you have done is correct or not. Awesome. So now we will be doing the same for the second video clip of the mermaid. So first I will try to reduce the size of this video. The size of this video is reduced. Again, what we will need to do is next to the scissor, press the pan and zoom button, end position, you will zoom in so that it can considerable covers the whole screen. Once this is done, press the tick. Okay, now what you have to do, left hand side, capture and save. It is saved. Again, go to Pixellab, delete this image, plus button, then from gallery import this mermaid button, then yes, increase the size. Alright, then again the hexagon button, erase tool, magnifier, then you can zoom into whichsoever. I will zoom into her hand. No, it's not that clear. So for these things to look good, you need to have 4K resolution videos. So this video is a bit blur when I'm trying to zoom in, so it doesn't matter. I'll try to zoom in to, alright, I'll try to zoom into the tail of the mermaid. Okay, again click the magnifier to freeze the frame, eraser tool, increase the dodge intensity, blur, dodge, whatever. So now I will be, that's it. Alright, you can select any region of the mermaid's body or whichever corner you feel correct for your video to look good. Just like for an illustration purpose, I'm just selecting this part. Okay, then once this is selected, press the tick, then save the video. Save image, custom, ultra, save to gallery. Once this is done, saving is taking a bit more time than previously. Again, go to the application, import, click the layer button, media, then from Pixellab select the edited image, try to zoom in. Okay, seems pretty good. Okay, once this is done, press tick on the top right, select the image, press the key button, move towards the right, at least go towards the midriff of the picture, hold on, and then click the plus circle. Once this is done, zoom in as much as possible so that you can see the third video clip inside the hole we just created in Pixellab. We need to zoom in as much as possible. This will take a little bit of time, but in the end the result will be very good. Okay, Okay. All right, it's done. Okay, once this is done, again top right tick. Okay, now we will play the video. Okay, first reduce the size of this third video clip till here. Okay, this is done. Deselect everything, go ahead. Okay, now play the video and see whether if everything is as how you anticipated. I'm just playing it. Very well, beautifully done. You can what do you call you can make a few more changes to it, and with precision you can get the hang of this software and like this sort of transition. You can add a lot of transitions, these plus signs and all, like you can add a lot of effects to the video. I'm just showing you how to just do the zoom in, transition and masking through these two softwares. So the sky is the limit if at all you want to make pretty professional videos. This is just the beginning of it. Okay, do let me know what other videos you want me to create for you guys. Ciao.